G'day guys, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's November 23rd, 2023. It's the US market update, the S&P market update. You can see here on the weekly, the daily and the hourly, we've got pretty much a sideways movement on the weekly. On the daily, we are pushing higher, and on the hourly, it looks like I'll just move that down a bit, looks like we're actually getting a bit weaker on the CCI 400 period. CCI. Now let's look at each of these in detail. The weekly first off, you can see there we did draw this Fibonacci range, that range there. You can see there it's bounced off the 61%, and now I'm retracing back towards that previous high, just short of that at the moment this week. Although you'll notice the CCI 150, which is our divergence indicator, is pretty much running flat or going sideways, and the CCI 400, which is our trend indicator, is also pretty much flat. So there's no real big 100% positive moves yet. You could argue that's a bullish move, but we want to see it break much higher than that high, and we want to see this moving average break more on an angle and trend higher as well. On the daily, you can see there that it's showing some positive and bullish movement on the daily, and again that price is approaching this resistance up there at 46.07. After bouncing off that 61% level at 41.03. So some slight bullish movement there, and that'll be a key resistance to look out for. If it breaks through there and this CCI keeps moving up, we're going to see a lot further up movement. On the hourly, you can see there that's the CCI 150, the divergence indicator, is showing a bearish divergence, and the CCI 400 is pretty much trending slightly negative and bearish. So we did move that slightly to the downside, that arrow, and we're going to extend that divergence trend line, the bearish divergence on the CCI 150, and extend that also to that more recent high. Now for this to work, we need to see the CCI continue on the downtrend, this CCI 150, and we're going to draw a Fibonacci retracement from that recent low to that high. Now, of course, it could go higher, and we just said a minute ago that it could approach this resistance, but if it starts turning down in alignment with this CCI 150, then we should see it approaching this 23 to the 38% level, which is always our conservative target area. So what I'll do, I'll draw a little rectangle indicating where the target will be if the price starts turning down in alignment with the CCI. So of course, for this to fail, we need to see the CCI start trending up. As well, we'll see the price moving up as well. But at the moment, so long as the CCI keeps trending to the downside and the price then may start retreating, that'll be our initial short-term target. So that's where we are at the moment. So again, looking at the direction, weekly going sideways, daily slightly bullish, and on the hourly, we're starting to turn to the downside with a potential retrace to the downside. But again, just be mindful, it may keep advancing and hitting this resistance up there. And if it breaks through that resistance, then we're going to be more bullish on it, as I said. So if you got value out of the video, hit the subscribe and the like button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the future video.